All right, so I decided to take a walk, and the things that I saw got me sad. I keep asking myself, so Ghana, till when? Are we trying to say we don't have intelligent, smart people in Ghana? Just have a look at what I saw. We always blame government, but the government is not in our house. Government is not on our road. We are responsible for all these things. Just take a look at it. And a big shout out to Bus Stop Boys. If you know them, you can tag them. They are really doing a good work. You see, that's quite sad. And we all want to have a good country. But yes, the citizens are not responsible. We need to be responsible for our actions. So when I know that you will never drink a pure water or bottle in your living room and drop it there. You walk straight to the bin and drop it. So why when you come outside, you do that on the streets? Who is responsible for that? Who is supposed to come and pick the rubber that you've dropped? Let's be responsible and let's help keep each other in check. Stop dropping and drop it well.